I'm going to talk to you today and hope to save you some money by reducing your California property taxes. You may have received an official looking letter from a company that offered to lower your property taxes for a fee. Official looking stamp, avoid penalties, fines, and suspension. It's from Sacramento Business Filings Division, important notice enclosed. You rip it open, they promise to deliver a package, reduce your property taxes, and then they want you to pay for it. This is something you can do for yourself for free. You certainly don't need to pay someone to do for it. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not that hard and it doesn't take that much time. This is all predicated on Prop 8. Probably not the Prop 8 you're thinking about, but this is the Prop 8 that was passed by California voters in November of 1978, and it talks about an amendment. It's actually an amendment to the Constitution, and it was passed to allow for a temporary reduction in property taxes when the assessed value of the house had fallen. And whose house has not fallen in value these days? So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. You go to basically your favorite search engine to go to the County Tax Collector's website. So we'll use Google. And I'll just use San Bernardino because I'm really familiar with that one. And you just need to use whatever the property is located. If you have your tax bill, great. You don't need to use this step because all this information is actually on your tax bill. Sometimes it's hard to remember exactly where the bill is. So if you don't have it, you can usually get the information that you need from the County Tax Collector's website. You'll need two pieces of information from this website. And again, each of the websites is going to be designed a little bit differently. They all have the same information. You just have to poke around a little bit to find it. You'll need the parcel number, so write this down. That we'll need for the next step. And then you'll need the net value or the assessed value. Again, it'll be different in each website. And so for this property, the net value is $265,000 and the parcel number is here. So write both of those down. This is what the county has assessed the value of this property as of January 1 of 2009. You'll need both of these pieces of information for the next step. Okay, the next step will be your favorite search engine for the County Tax Assessor's website. Okay, so the County Tax Assessor's website for Prop 8, and here it comes right up. County, here's the website, here's the full address, and again, fill out the form. Some counties will allow you to fill out the form online, some require that you print out the form and then submit it, mail it in, and then here it is. Okay, assessor's parcel number, remember that we got that from the previous step. So just put that right in. Your name, your mailing address, city, the property address, which may or may not be the mailing address, contact information, and then your opinion of value. How much did you think the house was worth as of January 1 of this year? Current assessment, remember that will be off of the tax bill or the county website that was in the previous step. So again, the assessed value, the current assessment, and the parcel number, those are the two items that you will need off of the previous step to fill out this form. How much did you pay for it? The date of the purchase, is the property income producing, do you have it rented out to someone else? If so, they want to know how much rent you're getting, how long the lease is for, the expenses, the income, etc. And then provide any other information. Some counties just require your opinion. Other counties want backup data or proof. An appraisal, any comparable sales can be included to strengthen your position with the county. Anything that you can bring to show them value will increase your credibility to back up the value that you state. And then I'd like to show you a different county. So we'll use your favorite search engine. just we're going to use Los Angeles County this time. Okay, and here is just a different county, just to show you the forms look a little bit different, but they all are asking for more or less the same information. And again, this is crucial. This form must be filed by December 31 of 2009. Very important. As you can imagine, there's going to be much busier as the year-end approaches, so do this early. Do it now. All the forms are slightly different, but they all ask for approximately the same information. Owner name, contact information, again the property address, the assessor's ID number, parcel number, which we got from the previous step, mailing address, again your opinion of value as of January 1, assessed value, again that's either from your tax bill or from the previous step, how much did you pay for the property, when did you buy it, and here again each county is slightly different. The Los Angeles County requires you to include comparable sales. Again, you have to compare apples to apples and oranges to oranges. You must get comps that are like your property as far as bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, year built. They also need to be close in distance to your property. So for instance, you would put in 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, built in 1978, half a mile from the property. And if your property is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, that's a good comp for you. How much did the property sell for? Sale date, again, no later than 3/31, March 31st. The most accurate comps are those that close within 90 days. So the assessed value, the county makes their assessment of January 1. So it has to be houses and properties that sold between January 1 and March 31 of 2009. And again, put in the address of the property, the date the sale occurred, how much it sold for, and then describe the property so that the county can see that it's quite similar to yours. Again, you don't need to pay for this information. If you know a realtor or a broker, you can get comps from them for free from the MLS. The most accurate data is going to be from the MLS, but because you can filter it down and look at the date the sale occurred. But again, you don't need to pay for this. I'm going to show you another great website. If you don't know a realtor or a broker, these free sites are getting better and better. Okay, this is called ePraisal.com, and that will bring up 3 different estimates from ePraisal, from Zillow.com, and from Cyber Homes. And look here, as we can see, it'll show you the it's really a neat website and totally free. It'll show you the subject property in orange, the comparables in green, and it'll show you how close they're located. You can also go to MapQuest, Google Maps, Yahoo Maps, and figure out distance. And as you can see, out of all these, this is the only one that we can use because this is March 27. That's the only comp that occurred between January 1 and March 31 of 2009. These other ones are actually too late in the year. But again, there's lots of free websites that you could get more information from. Zillow, Cyber Homes, and if you know a realtor. So remember, this is a petition. This is not automatic. It's not a guarantee that the property taxes will get reduced. So fill it out. Do it early. Do it well before December 31st. Keep copies of all the paperwork that you submitted. Follow up with the county. Follow up and follow up. So hopefully this little bit of effort that you put in may save you some money, and good luck. I hope that this lowers your property taxes. Thanks for listening.